Surprise, guys. I didn't think I'd be back here after finding the solution to YouTube just because I didn't know how many people had the problem in the first place. Is it warm?
I wouldn't say it.
Okay. No? Okay. Well, we're just having coffee and here at the health club. I might just have to have a spa day today because we haven't been here in a while. I might just do the treadmill too. But anyway, guys, I went ahead and looked at my channel and noticed where I'm helping you guys the most because I was kind of curious. And I found I really appreciate all the views. I really do. But I actually found where I could be helping you guys out here, so I don't want to stop doing YouTube. Since apparently I am helping you guys in some area or another. What?
I'm late probably an hour or so.
Yeah, possibly. But I've had fun up here, and I feel like the time stuff, organizing time, you guys seem to like a lot. I guess it does help. I've been really in Google Calendar a lot. And probably an appropriate time to do a video on it would possibly be either between now and New Year's. So, there you go. I just wanted to come in and say hi. And I was going to check on the pool, but my husband Bobby already did that. And he has a channel, Eden's Experience. It's our family channel, but he has done reviews, a talking scale review when we were engaged and things like that. And hopefully he'll be back on YouTube. He kind of wants to wait till everything settles, right, babe? Or what do you think? You have anything you want to add, or?
I don't know. I might do a channel.
I mean, what the hell? Yeah, either do a new channel, start fresh, or maybe rename it to fit. I renamed mine a couple times. I'm just like...
Yeah.
And I think podcasting is still a little more uncensored. I still have my same little feelings about it, but I think YouTube is definitely a place to teach people. And I'm choosing to see the good in that side of it, but I think everybody's got to pick where they're bringing the most help or the most education and things like that. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't know. Let's see.
I'm not going to take myself too seriously either. I mean, if I take hiatuses, I take hiatuses. If I'm out here, I'm out here. I don't want to take myself too serious, but if I find something that might help you guys, like an app or something, I really still want to walk you through it and put it out here. Just because I really think that people are watching, and if it helps, why not?
Oh, this chair is all ripped up.
I wouldn't worry about it. Is it ripped up? How would it get ripped up?
I don't know.
Anyway, I'm not going to take things too seriously either and burn out too quick or anything. So, I'm going to probably do some things. I'm not sure what yet. Probably spa, and if it warms up a little bit, the pool would be good to swim, because I don't feel like myself if I don't swim. So, got a interview about Dabble. That's going to be fun. If you guys are on Dabble, you can opt in to do interviews. And I'm going to see how it goes. Haven't got to talk to Bento in a while. He's been a part of Dabble, marketing manager. So that'll be cool. We'll have a nice chat over on Zoom and see kind of where it goes. Be a fun interview, I think. Because I know a lot of you were kind of wondering about Zello. And somebody had commented about it the other day, and I was just saying how I was on Anchor and Dabble, which is just, chat, live stream, but you can actually invite people, which is nice. And there's a lot to Dabble, I think, that could be said for the future. And you can kind of put what you're doing as it's happening and then go live. It's really cool. It's better than any of them, I think. And you can choose if you want more of a podcast feel, where it's a talk show, or if you just want to have a conversation. That's what Dabble is. So, yeah, and like I said, anywhere I can help you guys in kind of the world of tech and time management, being that I am a mom now. Before, I don't know that I would have been the best person, but now that I'm a mom, you kind of have to learn to manage your time and organize. So, you know, and Bobby does a lot of really cool reviews. I really hope he gets back on here soon. Because he inspired me. Like, I really was kind of scared to do YouTube until he did it years ago. And so I really hope he gets back on here. It would be really cool. And so we're gonna have our time together, but I just wanted to come in here. So, take care.